There was a time when I understood English very well, but when it was time to speak, I stay silent. Maybe you feel the same. I tell you, I was not a weak student. I know vocabulary, I knew grammar. But the moment I have to speak in front of the other people, my heart stops. My confidence disappears. I prepare sentences in my mind, but I never felt ready enough to say them aloud. The real problem was not English. The real problem was my fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of sounding wrong. So I chose silence, and silence slowly became my comfort. Now I tell you, one day I realized something important. People who speak confidently, they are not perfect. They simply stopped waiting. That day, I decided to speak even if it is not perfect. Today, when my students say, Ma'am, I know English, but I can't speak, I understand them deeply because I was there once. Understand, English is not an exam. It is not a test of intelligence. It is a skill, and skill grows with use. You don't need confidence first. Confidence comes after you start speaking. If you are scared today, remember, you are not weak. You are just one step away from your goal. So, speak slowly, speak imperfectly, but please speak. And say, I believe in myself. And if you feel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do share with the people, those who really need to hear this. Till then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep watching.